Hello and welcome to Operation MGR, restoring MGR wagon 368459, and today is the final episode. Today, unfortunately due to the weather, we couldn't do any work on the wagon. For the past few weeks it's been 26 degrees in Shildon, and on the one day we need to work on the wagon, it absolutely chucks it down with rain. We were going to paint the wagon with an undercoat using a substance which doesn't work in rain, so today's work was a no-go. So since this may be the final episode of this series, I've put together a collection of videos and photos from the restoration and life of this MGR. I do hope you enjoy the series, and from me and the rest of the youth team, thank you, and for the last time in this series, thank you and goodbye.